Happy President's Day, everyone. Well, thanks to yesterday evening's cold front, today is not going to be as warm as yesterday, but not too bad. The problem is this evening we're getting another cold front, and so temperatures going down even more for Tuesday. We'll take a look at those temperatures in just a bit, but let's start with today. And hopefully you're lucky enough to be off today and you don't have to go to work or school. But for those who do have to go to work, good news this morning, no chance of rain or snow, so nothing to slow you down on your way to work. And temperatures not too bad in the low to mid 20s. But take a look at high temperatures this afternoon. Yesterday we were seeing lots of mid 40s across southern Wisconsin. Today I think it's mostly going to be mid to upper 30s. Do have to mention though, right next to the lake, high temperatures may only top out in the low 30s, but for most of us, I do think mid to upper 30s. A little bit of a wind chill factor this afternoon. Not much wind this morning, but in the afternoon, it's going to start to get breezy. Gusts around 20 miles per hour, so you take about 5 degrees off these temperatures, and that's what it's really going to be feeling like. And also, beginning around 3 o'clock this afternoon, I do have to mention the chance for some isolated rain and snow showers. But during the afternoon, it does look like isolated activity. Look, this is 3 o'clock. I'm jumping ahead to 6 o'clock, and not a lot showing up. In fact, I think around Racine, Kenosha, it's probably going to stay completely dry through the afternoon. It looks like if we're going to see isolated rain, snow showers, the best chance is probably going to be north and west of Madison, but I'll mention the chance for Madison as well still during the afternoon. However, though I think it's just going to be isolated activity during the afternoon, as we transition into the evening hours, notice that the story starts to change. By 9 o'clock this evening, I think we're talking about scattered rain and snow showers because this is the next cold front pushing in. Now notice at 9 o'clock, not much of a difference in temperatures across the area. But when we jump ahead to midnight, notice by this point the activity is going to be focused in the southeastern part of the area. And also look at the difference in temperatures. Look where the cold front has come through and where it has not. 22 in Viroqua at midnight tonight, but still 35 Racine and Kenosha. But that's going to be changing. And notice staying breezy tonight. As this cold front works over us, that's going to keep the winds going. A lot of nights we see the winds die down once the sun sets. That's not going to happen tonight. In fact, I think the winds are only going to be increasing by midnight. We're talking about gusts around 25 miles per hour. And I actually expect the strongest winds to be behind the cold front, which is not good because by then temperatures will have dropped everywhere. So we're taking a look at tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and most of us in the mid to upper teens, maybe around 20 degrees right next to the lake. But because we're going to be seeing wind gusts around 30 miles per hour, now we've got to take about 10 degrees off these temperatures. And that's what it's actually going to be feeling like. So yes, for the vast majority of us, we're talking about feels like temperatures in the single digits early tomorrow morning. So that's what you need to dress for as you head out the door. But notice dry. Again, the chance for rain and snow really peaking during the late evening, early overnight hours tonight. And for the morning commute, probably not even that many clouds around. It's going to be completely dry. But once again, only temporarily, because as early as noon, got to mention the chance for some snow flurries coming back at noon, probably only in the western part of the area. And even at lunchtime, still on the windy side, though I do think winds will be decreasing as we go through the day. And look at high temperatures tomorrow. So tomorrow, reality check. Today temperature's still above normal for this time of year, but tomorrow looks like, probably only topping out in the low 30s, which actually is normal for this time of year. But say goodbye to the above normal temperatures. And because temperatures now in the afternoon, low 30s, upper 20s, we're talking about it likely being all snow coming in. So by 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we're talking about scattered snow showers now. And then I think by 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, we're pretty much going to be covered in light to moderate snow. And I do think it's going to continue for the rest of Tuesday night as well. And so by the time we wake up Wednesday morning, we're looking at anywhere from a half an inch to 1.5 inches of snow on the ground. I will say right now it looks like it's more likely to be around a half an inch in the southern part of the area where maybe still a little rain will mix in early on, and we're more likely to see those 1.5-inch totals in the northern part of the area, places like Baraboo, Portage, Beaver Dam. And then looking ahead during the day on Wednesday, I do think the activity is going to start to back off. It's going to transition more to scattered snow showers, but yes, the chance for snow is going to continue.